Omya supplies ingredients in the pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industry. These ingredients can be actives for calcium supplementation or for antacids, or they can be inactive ingredients or excipients that are used to optimize processes, they are used to improve formulations and give a better performance. The key is to actually have the right particle size distribution in order to have a proper manufacturing process at our customer. Omya offers different particle sizes, ranges, that can be tailored to the needs of our customers and their processes. Antacids formulated with Omya ingredients, particularly calcium carbonate, have a better performance because of the high neutralization effect of the calcium carbonate in these type of products. Carbonates are very strong neutralizers of acid in the stomach. An excipient can improve manufacturing processes at our customers, they can optimize formulations, and they can improve the performance on the final dosage form.
Disintegration speed is important because it determines the speed to which the therapeutic effect happens. Our products increase the disintegration speed. This is the case of Omya Nutra 300 OG, which, thanks to its high porosity, increase the water intake speed into the solid dosage forms. Omya Nutra 300 OG can also be used as a carrier because of its ability to transform liquid APIs into powders. Once the liquid is absorbed, the powder obtained can be used for manufacturing of solid dosage forms. Our products improve the flowability of poor flowable powders by making much easier the manufacturing of solid dosage forms while generating low dust into the manufacturing areas. Omya supports its customer by providing them with advice about what the ideal solution for their challenges should be.
Omya Technical Services Lab offers different type of process possibilities. We have granulation equipment, we have tableting equipment, and we can use all this equipment and the know-how of our colleagues to generate the right processes and formulate the products that our customers are looking for.